that grows on the mountain is admired by all who see it. What you do to the earth, you do to yourself. A single twig breaks, but the bundle of twigs is strong. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. A man who is afraid of suffering is already suffering. You cannot build a house with a single stone. When the roots of a tree begin to decay, it spreads death to the branches. You can't catch a fish with a dry hook. Don't trust a person who is not willing to speak of their past. Knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested.